Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of scrapwood wall decor and art ideas. If you have leftover wood from previous projects or just want to upcycle some old pieces, this video is for you. 1. Introduction to scrapwood. Scrapwood can be a treasure trove for creativity. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it also allows you to create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that add character to your home. Let's explore some fun ideas together. 2. Project ideas. Here are a few inspiring projects to get you started. 1. Rustic wood signs. First up, rustic wood signs. You can easily create personalized signs for your home or garden. Steps: choose your wood pieces and sand them down. Use a stencil or freehand your chosen words. Paint or stain the wood to your liking. Add hooks or hangers for easy display. 2. Geometric wall art. Next, let's create geometric wall art. This modern look can add a stylish touch to any room. Steps: cut your scrap wood into various geometric shapes. Arrange them on a canvas or directly on the wall. Secure with glue or nails and paint as desired. 3. Photo frames. How about making some unique photo frames? These are great for showcasing your favorite memories. Steps: cut wood pieces to size for your photos. Assemble them using wood glue or nails. Paint or finish to match your decor. 4. Wall shelves. Creating wall shelves is another fantastic option. They're another fantastic option. They're functional and stylish. Steps: select sturdy pieces for the shelf. Sand and finish the wood. Install brackets and secure to the wall. 3. Tips for working with scrap wood. Here are some tips to make the most of your scrap wood projects. Choose quality wood. Always inspect your wood for damage or rot before starting. Mix and match. Combine different wood types and finishes for a more dynamic look. Safety first. Remember to wear safety gear when cutting and sanding. And there you have it. A variety of creative scrapwood wall decor and art ideas. I hope this inspires you to get crafting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY content, and let us know in the comments your favorite scrapwood project or any ideas you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. See you next time.